If you're an electrician, you know the drill. You're always on the go, up a ladder, deep inside a panel. But what happens when the phone rings right then? Well, today we're going to talk about the hidden cost of those missed calls and a really cool modern way to solve it. Let's kick things off with a number that might actually shock you.
$12,000. Just let that sink in for a second. Now, what if I told you that's how much your business could be losing every single month?
Yep, that's right. In lost bookings. For so many electrical companies out there, that's the cold, hard reality of missed calls. It's just revenue that vanishes into thin air because you couldn't get to the phone in time.
Okay, so let's break this down. Let's talk about the true cost of a missed call. Because it's not just about losing one job here or there. This is a bigger issue that hits your bottom line hard.
You know, this problem is way more common than you'd think. The data shows that electricians, because they're busy on-site doing the actual work, miss a staggering 35% of their calls. And we're not talking about sales calls. These are often urgent calls from people ready to book a job right now.
And every single one of those missed calls, that's a high-value job, anywhere from $500 to $2,000. When a customer has an emergency and they can't reach you, they don't wait. No way. They just hang up, go to the next name on the list, and call your competitor.
Now you might be thinking, hey, I've got voicemail, or I have someone who answers phones sometimes. But honestly, in today's world, those old school methods are failing. Let's look at why the old way just doesn't cut it anymore. Get this stat. 85% of missed calls turn into lost leads. Think about that. Today's customer wants an answer immediately. They're not going to leave a voicemail and just hope you call back. They need their problem fixed now, and if you can't help them, they will find someone who can in about 30 seconds. So look, on one side, you've got the old way, limited hours, breaks, relying on voicemail. And on the other side, you've got your competition, who's always available, answers instantly, and books the job right there on the spot. I mean, which one do you think a customer is going to choose? It's kind of a no-brainer.
And the damage actually goes deeper than just one lost job. When it becomes a pattern, it leads to bad online reviews. You know the ones. Never called me back, couldn't get a hold of anyone. That stuff kills your hard-earned reputation before new customers even get a chance to call you.
But what if you could have the perfect receptionist? One that never misses a call, never takes a lunch break, and works 24/7. Well, it's time to meet your new AI receptionist.
A better way to think about it is as your very own AI employee. It's a smart, automated assistant that's built just for your business. It doesn't just parrot a script, it actually engages with customers, qualifies them, and books appointments, all on its own around the clock.
So here's what your new AI employee does. First, it's available 24/7, 365, so no more missed emergency calls. It gives instant professional answers every single time. It books appointments right into your calendar, automatically. It qualifies leads so you only deal with serious customers. It syncs with the tools you already use, and it's smart enough to know when an issue is too complex and needs to be handed off to you. It's literally the solution to everything we've been talking about.
Okay, that all sounds great on paper, but how does it actually work when a real customer calls? Let's walk through it, from the first ring to a confirmed job on your schedule.
So, a customer calls. The AI answers instantly with a perfect professional greeting. Then it starts gathering details, asking smart questions about the problem. It checks your calendar in real time and offers up specific appointment slots. The customer picks one, the AI confirms it, and then automatically sends a confirmation text. The whole thing, it's smooth, it's professional, and it's done in under a minute. All right, now for the part everyone really cares about, the results, the money. This isn't just some cool gadget, it's an investment that delivers a massive return. Let's look at the real-world impact.
By just catching all those calls that used to go to voicemail or your competitors, businesses are recovering over $50,000 in lost revenue. This isn't new money. It's the money that was always knocking on your door, but you just didn't have a way to let it in. And lead conversion, because the experience is so fast, professional, and easy, you can see a 300% increase in how many callers actually turn into paying jobs. It just removes all the friction.
And finally, let's talk about your most precious resource, your time. This system frees up at least 5 hours of admin work every single week. What could you do with that time? That's more time for your skilled guys to do what they're paid for, billable work.
I mean, just look at the before and after here. Your call answer rate goes from maybe 65% to over 95%. Lead conversion just skyrockets. Admin hours on the phone?
gone, zero. And your business availability goes from standard business hours to literally all the time. The difference is just night and day.
So, the choice is pretty clear. You can keep letting thousands of dollars slip through your fingers, going straight to voicemail and your competitors, or you can give your business an AI employee that works around the clock to grow it.
This breakdown was brought to you by us here at VoiceSonic. If you're ready to get your own AI employee and see what it can do for your business, just head over to voicesonic.com.